This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today I'm going to be playing with two colors, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold and Prehnite. And I'm going to be working with this old canvas. I'm going to repaint it. PVG Multi-Pro is my pillow paint. It's going down now. I'm going to be also using a faux background again. So see if I can get a better shot at this. The three colors we're going to be using today is Prehnite. That's the green at the top, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, which is the middle color, and the bottom is Black Umber, and it's kind of a very, very dark brown. This is Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, or known as QNAG, going down now. Against white has a yellow, very beautiful color. This is the Prehnite. This is a brand new pigment that I have from this little Piggy. It's green with a silvery hue to it. And this, now going on the back of my tool, is going to be my faux pillow paint. And this is the Black Umber. Looks black here, but it has a definite umber or black brown hue to it. So I'm going to put a nice even coat over the two colors down at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to get my tool out, and I've got already has titanium white, and that's lamp black, and these are my cell activators. These cell activators are mixed with 3 parts of Australian floetrol. That's how the cells are created. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting the cells across the top of the this faux pillow paint. And then I'm going to scoop underneath it and do a scoop and drag to draw off the colors underneath the paint and to create, hopefully, a backlit color area. This is a technique that I've been working on now for a few weeks, and I'm getting closer. Not quite there yet. As I was saying before, Prehnite is a brand new color to my box. It's part of the last release of this little Piggy's pigments, and like I said, it's a beautiful green, light green, with a silver hue to it. I think it's going to be one of my favorites to work with when it involves green. Green's not my go-to color. Okay, reversed at this time, I put the black on the bottom or on the top with a white underneath it for my cell activators. Switch it up just a little bit. Now I'm going to just play in the paint and try to create some movement and flow. Stretching out the cells that I have there. And so stretching that out also is where the color layer is pulled out and the white paint underneath it all is pulled to the forward. So that gives us that backlit look to it. And I think more than that, it gives you a real sense of depth. So that's the reason it really interests me, this style. It's very interesting. If you're interested in learning how I mix my paints, how I mix my pigments, and anything else, I have a series of how-to videos that you can look at and get the skinny on how I do what I do here. So check it out if you're at all interested. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of be quiet for a while, let you watch what's going on here, and I'll see you at the end. I think I'm about done playing in the paint, and I think it's time to take us down for the flyover. Check out the cells on this and the light against the dark, and those colors together, really I just couldn't be happier with that. The Prehnite is definitely going to be my go-to for the light greens in the future. QNAG has been one of my favorite for quite some time. It just plays well with so many different colors. If you found today's video useful, I'd invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for future notifications of videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding it both enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here. Bye now.